Okay, so pardon the sound in the background. It's a fan because it gets hot here with all the sublimation machines. But I'm here to show you you see all that ghosting? That didn't come out too good, did it? No, it did not. Every one that I used, I've tried a conventional oven that you would get like at the thrift store, and I would put the design on, wrap it all around with tape, with the heat tape, and then shrink wrap with the heat gun and put it in a convection oven for 400 degrees at 8 minutes, and it still came out like that. I have tried 6 different shot glasses. None came out correct. None. Not one. Nope. Nope. So, I have drinking glasses at home now, but, yeah. So, I bit the bullet, and I got the sublimation oven. Hold on. That thing right there. Now, it was a pretty penny, but what I have learned is that in the regular convection ovens, it's just the heat from the top. That's it. This heats 360 degrees all around. So I'm going to put these gloves on, and I'm going to take that out right there, and then we'll take it apart together and I'll show you the difference. Now, the thing that I do love about this was kind of a bundle. It did come with a heat gun with the color that matches the oven. It came with these huge gloves. They also match the oven. This is cooling down right now. Put that right there. Turn that off. The gloves are so big, but I don't feel no heat whatsoever. So it's cooling down. This is cooling down. And I will meet you back over at the other desk. Alright, here we go. So this one's cooling down. But I wanted to show you one that I just did. Can you see that difference right there? Look at that difference. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned it before, but this is the HTV Ront sublimation oven. But look at that difference. Oh my word. Right? Okay. So, we're going to put this up there. I'm keeping this glove on while I'm switching hands with it, but very, unisex, I guess is the word. But this is going to be hot. Well, here goes. Now, we don't want this. We want something like this. Ooh, 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 that's hot. Now, you should wait a little bit till it cools down, but I'm very impatient because, like I said, I've tried so many times, and they would all fail. So, as long as I don't touch the glass with my bare hand, I should be okay. Now, while I'm taking this off, I did not splurge. I did not go... Oh, one of my lights went out. I did not get the shot glass shrink wrap. I used the tumbler mug shrink wrap. I cut it down and I wrapped it that way, like, cause if you know sublimation, you know what this is. But I put the glass. Okay, I cut it down. These gloves are so huge. But I put it down inside, made it taut. Very tightly, rolled it over. I put one piece of tape here. Don't forget, I also put a bunch of the heat-resistant tape all around. But then I used the heat gun that came with it, made it super tight, put it in the oven for 7 minutes at 355. The oven is off, so I can't remember. But yes, 355, 7 minutes. And you just saw from the eyeball, which I will put right here for you to see while I'm taking this apart. Trying not to burn myself, because I just can't wait. I want to know if this works. You know, once, okay, it's a fluke. But if we get 2 in a row that look gorgeous, then we are in business. Alright. Ooh, the heat's starting to go through the gloves a little bit. So I'm going to fast forward this a little bit so you're not bored with it. Unless you're enjoying it, let me know in the comments below. I don't know, what is this, an ASMR kind of thing? I see color. I see color. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Okay. Okay, breathe, Charlie. You got this. And I always thought, well, this is a waste of tape. So much tape. But you need it tight in order for it to get onto the glass. Alright. Here goes. Whoop, that was hot. Here we go. Would you look at that? Geez. Oh, I'm so in love. Yikes. Hot. 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 They weren't kidding when they said, careful, hot. Wow, I know it's creepy with an eyeball, but see the difference? So, from someone who's kind of cheap, don't skimp out. Don't go to the thrift store and get a regular convection oven for, what, 20 bucks, 40 bucks? Go for the sublimation oven to 360 degrees, HTV Ront. I have 2 machines from them already, and look, just look, wow, just wow. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and stay tuned, and we'll have some more coming soon.